Alright. Doing something a bit different now. A little bit different. All these packs, we're going to do that little pack trick thing. Where I'm going to put. So what I'm going to do, I'll give you the code card. I'll flip the energy. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 down here. We'll have a quick check if there's nothing crazy going on there. And that's what we'll do. Alright. So we've got the 3 cards there. So I'll give you the code card. We'll flip this. Then 1, 2, 3. Make sure there's nothing hidden in there. Alright. Flip. 1, 2, 3. Nothing there. Alright. Oh, we're not getting any, nothing good. Well, no hollow, energies. That's for sure. I mean, maybe I'll just do, like... I was gonna say, I'll do it until we get a hollow energy. 1, 2, 3. Flip them over, nothing there. So, maybe we'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'll do the last one. Do the mega. This will be the last one for the mega pack. Homemade mega pack. So I was just about to say, I'll stop when I get a hollow. Foil, blank card, very cool. Does this mean I got something good? Should we just check this one normal? Let's do it. 1. Nothing there. Marowak. Kingdra. Lapras. Nothing. Alright. Thought maybe no code on the card meant something, but it doesn't. There you go. Feel free. Pokemon code card. Use this card. But you need a blue light. Alright. Since that one, we'll do one more normal. I mean, for the mega pack, since that one was a bit of a tease. Uh-oh, what's this? 1, 2, 3. There we go. A lot of fucking around, dude. Nothing there. Sweet as. Alright. This is our mega pack here. We'll keep that for the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more packs left, including this one. So we'll get this, and we'll just do it normal. Normal, how everyone else does it. You know what? I'm even going to do this. Pack trick. Everything comes at the back anyway, there's no need for a pack trick. Alright, Slowpoke. Slowpoke, Magma, Moltres, Energy. Alright. Fucking hell. Alright. Careful. Let's do this. Dodrio. Ooh, Omnionite, I'll take that. And a Gyarados. We'll take the Omnionite. Very cool. We'll take the Gyarados. Very cool. There's a code card for you. Right, 2 more packs, boys. Then we get to the mega pack, where we really need something good here. I mean, yes and no. Like, an Omnistar is nice. We'll take that. But we need something else. Oyster, Scyther, YuGiOh, and that. So what do we got? Like an Arbok, 2 Holo Energies, and a Full Art illustration there, rare. I mean, it's not too bad, like kinda I get. You don't count the fucking energies, sorry. Take that back. I don't count the energies. So I'll go at a 5, you know, 1 hit really. Arbok ain't doing nothing. Shelter, very cool. Flareon, very cool. That all we got. Them two. Did I put a... Let me have a quick look in here. Oh yeah, there it is. And a coughing. Reverse. I believe you call them reverse hollows. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Machamp. Very cool. We'll take that. Venusaur. Very nice. That's my second one. So we'll take that. Very nice. Blastoise EX. Haven't had him yet, so I'll take that. Very good. Geodude. Very cool. Hitmonlee. Arbok again. So that makes 3 Arboks out of 20 packs. When I opened 45 packs last time total, I didn't pull 1 Arbok. Dugon. Nidoran. What else? Machamp, very cool. Bill's transfer, very cool. Fucking oath. Fucking oath. Get in. Get the fuck in. Fucking Blastoise. Fucking Venusaur. Get the fuck in there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we want. That's what we need. That's fucking nice, that one. Fucking oath, bro. Look at that eyes. That's money back. That's like Australian. This cost me like $210 with delivery. Australian, right? Blastoise is a $100 card in Australia. Venusaur was a $75 card in Australia. Pretty much money back right there. Gengar. Fucking oath. We'll take Gengar. I take him out. I like him. Tauros. I like Tauros. That'd be nice. A Tauros full art would be sick. And what's his name? Aerodactyl. Right on, lads. Oh, that concludes our video. Until next time.